Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, we have a huge glitch going on right now, and in this video, we're going to go over all the details. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already uploaded several other videos for you all this week. Unfortunately, YouTube is kind of punishing me for taking a week off, so notifications have not been going out, and my videos have not been showing up in the subscription feeds. So if you've missed anything, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, now in this video, we are going to be talking about the Earn 20 off of a 2001 purchase when you make 3 qualifying purchases of $25 or more. We're going to talk about that coupon, and then we're going to talk about the $20 coupon that we get back once we have completed our 3 purchases. And with these coupons, we have a couple of different things going on and a couple of different glitches. I've already touched on this in a previous video, but I wanted to put it all into one. That way everybody has all the information in one video, short, sweet, and simple. So I'm going to kind of walk you all through this step by step. But first, I do want to go ahead and tell you all that when these coupons first came out, that very next Saturday, I was at Dollar General. We had a lot going on that Saturday. We had the P&G glitch deals, so I was in there doing those deals. The app was going crazy. Everybody was confused. One of the employees at my store had already completed 3 transactions, so she had received back her $20 coupon. And I was like, hey, let's try to stack that with the 5 off 25. You know, get your subtotal up to $25 and see if the 5 off 25 and that $20 coupon will come off, and then you'll basically have a free transaction. So later that evening, we ended up trying it. She got $25 worth of products together. She rang everything up. She typed in her number. The $20 coupon did come off, but the 5 off 25 did not apply. So what we did was we used a paper 5 off $25 coupon, and the system ended up kicking off the $20 coupon and only applying the 5 off 25. So from there, I knew that there were going to be some funky things happening with this coupon. She ended up just picking up $20 worth of products. She used her 20 off of a 2001 coupon. It came off just fine without combining it with the 5 off 25. So everything worked out fine. She was happy, and I was just happy that the $20 coupon was actually working. Now, the very next week, again, we still had those P&G glitches going on, so I went back in there to do more deals that next Saturday. She pulls up on her app, and she's like, hey, even though I used my $20 coupon, it's still showing me in the app that I can add that coupon to my account. But once she clicked add coupon, nothing happened. We could not find that coupon on her account anywhere. We signed off, we signed back in, we did the whole 9 yards and couldn't find it anywhere. So I thought, well, that is so weird. Now, I'm going to continue this story here in just a few minutes, so make sure that y'all stick around. First, I want to go over the first part of this glitch. So if you have this coupon that is on your screen right now, it will say earn 20 off of a 2001 purchase when you make 3 qualifying purchases of $25 or more at Dollar General. Now on this one, it says purchase 1 of 3. Each time you make a purchase and it tracks toward this deal, that purchase number will change. It will say purchase 2 of 3, purchase 3 of 3, and then you're going to receive your $20 coupon. So that's how you keep track of that. Now the good news is, with this coupon right here, when you're working toward earning your $20 coupon, you do not have to spend $20 out of pocket. And again, I explained this in a previous video. So if you guys go into the store today, you do a 5 off $25 scenario, those scenarios should track toward earning your $20 coupon. I have already done this several times on all of my accounts, and I first noticed that this was happening when we had those PNG glitches. So I can't remember exactly what the number was that I was paying out of pocket, but I know it was definitely not $20 out of pocket on those PNG deals, and it was still tracking for my $20 coupon. So if you are still on step 1 of this deal, this part does not expire until September the 30th, which is next Saturday. So between now and then, make sure that you get out there, do a few 5 off $25 scenarios, get a low out-of-pocket deal, and go ahead and start tracking toward earning that $20 coupon. Now, we're going to jump back into this story because I'm going to tell you all about the second part of this glitch, and this is where it gets even crazier. So, I've been talking to this employee pretty much off and on all week long because we have had all kinds of craziness going on with these Dollar General clearance events. And again, that was another reason why I wanted to put all this information into one video for you all, because I know that a lot of you out there think just like I do, and you all were saving your $20 coupons for the upcoming clearance event. Well, this might change your mind. So she called me yesterday and she was like, hey, something weird's going on with the app. This $20 coupon has shown back up on my account. It's not the one that was on the home page where we couldn't get it to add the coupon. It is actually on my account showing up in my clipped coupons. So keep in mind, she has already spent her $20 coupon once. Now it has popped back up on her account, and she was in fact able to use and spend that coupon yesterday without any problems whatsoever. Now, will the $20 coupon pop up for a third time? Who knows? We're just going to have to wait and see. Now, some of you all may have already noticed that this was happening as well. So if you have already spent your $20 coupon for the second time, let us know down in the comment section. Did it pop up for you a third time? And were you able to use it at the store? Now, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to an amazing crazy couponer who also gave us the heads up on this deal in yesterday's video. So huge shout out and thank you to Michelle Hanks. She left some amazing details in her comments, so let's check it out. She said, I went this morning and racked up at the clearance event. Check your accounts, everyone, if you have reached the $20 coupon for spending 25 3 times. I hit it and used that 20 off of a 2001 on 2 accounts last week. This morning, that coupon was back on both accounts. She did not do this at a regular register. Her store is an old store, one with a self-checkout. So she went through the self-checkout lane and it worked out perfectly. So huge shout out and thank you to Michelle for sharing those details with us. That is absolutely amazing. And there you have it, guys. We kind of have 2 different glitches going on with this $20 promotion. So I hope that you guys can get out there and grab up some amazing deals. Now, before you all go, I do need to give away some free money. So I'm going to be announcing 3 more winners of our gift card giveaway for our 50,000 subscriber giveaway. If you are a winner, please contact me via email. My email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. So without further ado, the winners are Sherry Green. We have Crystal Lagan. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your last name. Please forgive me. And also Michelle Hanks. Congratulations, ladies, and thank you all so much for all of your love and support. Now, before you all go, please do not forget, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and share the video. Even if you just share it to yourself in a text message or an email, YouTube is really laying it on me since I took that break. It's really hard to get these videos out into the algorithm, so I need your help. So please don't forget to do all the things, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful day and I will see you on the next one.